The first way to find out the hidden apps in iPhone is to go to the app library. Here you will be able to see all the apps that are installed in your iPhone according to the category. For example, there is social, utilities, etc. And suppose if you see an application whose icon is hidden from the home screen of your iPhone, then what you do is you can tap and hold that application and select this option, add to home screen. This is the first way. Now the next way is you have to go to settings here. You have to go to general and then go to iPhone storage. And let us wait for a few seconds. Now here you will be able to see applications that are installed in your iPhone. And you will see applications whether the icon is present on the home screen or if it is hidden. You will see here. And if you see any application whose icon is hidden from the home screen of your iPhone, what you do is you pull the screen down and you can search that app. And suppose if this is the application, what I will do, I will tap and hold the app and then select this option, add to home screen.